SVN Smart Kids Credo Parents Engagement Program for Academic Year 2023-24.
We all know because the front row was able to see what the kids are doing, but the back row was not able to see that. So that is why a new way of showing all the parents we have done this.
Credo is a very good curriculum. Actually, through the materials-based learning we are doing.
The main reason behind this is what your children are doing at the school.
Anywhere, because education is the best wealth which we can give, and Credo is the best thing for that.
So apart from 1 year, it's almost 8 months of time. So 8 months of time, what he has learnt at school? Because individual child will be having individual talent. So at the same time, they will showcase their talents in the school. So you all know what is the reason behind this, because last year also we had done this program and we were not satisfied with the program, like the way we conducted it. You all know because the front row was able to see what the kids are doing, but the back row was not able to see that. So that is why a new way of showing all the parents we have done this. So about the program, many parents will get confused. We are sending to this school, but my child is not doing anything at home. Yes? Do you want me to talk in English or Kannada? English. So you will all be confused. My child is going to the school, but is not learning anything, or is not briefing me about what he is learning at school. You all be confused, right? So that is the reason we have arranged this program. The main reason behind this is what your children are doing at the school. So apart from 1 year, it's almost 8 months of time. So 8 months of time, what he has learnt at school? Because individual child will be having individual talent. So at the same time, they will showcase their talents in the school. But you parents will be knowing it, but you will be not knowing how to execute it, because at school we will be having some materials to showcase the talent. Like example, when we talk about Credo, we have a lab. We have a lab installed over here. They provide some materials to describe what they have learned. But at home, it can't be done, right? So you won't be knowing. So if a teacher tells that 2 plus 2 is 3, yes. Even if you tell it is 4, no. My teacher has told it is 3, it is 3 itself. They'll just argue with it. They won't listen to the parents. They listen only to the teachers. But here, what happens is, you have to see what they have learned, or you have to just imagine how they have learned it. Because in our school, for past 4 years, we are just tagged on with the Credo. They are doing a wonderful job. I want a big round of applause for them. Because many of the schools I am just seeing it, but Credo is one of the best things we have introduced it. Because right now, the children are explaining the maps. They are able to do the maths. They are able. One more thing is, recently we are just learning maths from 1 to 30. But I can see here my kids are started from 1 to 100 itself. With spelling and with addition, with multiplication, with subtraction, everything they are ready to execute. Whatever you tell the numbers, they are ready to execute it. So at home, you can't be knowing this one and all. So here, you just have a word with your teachers, have a word with the Credo people. Some parents will be telling, sir, ನಮ್ಮ book ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ, portion ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ complete ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You'll all be knowing it, right? When the portions is more, they're able to recognize it more very easily. Don't think that the portion is more, because the kids have a talent of recognizing it, observing it, and easily taking insight. So this is the perfect age for them. We can give them up to their mind level, not beyond that. So Credo has introduced a very good thing. If you have suggestions, if you have any doubts, if you have any suggestions for the next academic year, it will be helpful for us. So please be free. You don't think that I know only English, I know only Hindi, I know only Kannada, what to do. Be open-minded in all the languages. They are going to help you with it. So be open-minded. Whatever doubts you have, whatever suggestions you have, be free to open it and tell us. So this one program is that, because the next program will be their examinations. For examinations, we have to get prepared for it. So for that preparation, your support is more for us. Yes? With your support, our teachers will be there, and our students will be there, and the Credo teachers also will be there. So be free. Whatever suggestions you have, whatever questions you have, whatever the confusions you have, please tell us, and it will be easy for us to implement in the next academic year. So any suggestions you have, please let us know. Thank you.
Credo is a very good curriculum. Actually, through the materials-based learning we are doing. All these years we are doing without materials. But now Credo is so best that through the materials, children are learning it in a very fast way. According to the theory. Theory was practical. First we'll be going through the practicals. Once they do that, they learn the writing part.
Is that necessary for children?
Yeah, it is very good. It is very good, and it is useful for their future life and their practical life, and whatever they learn, I hope so that will be not lost anywhere, because education is the best wealth which we can give, and Credo is the best thing for that.
How is the benefit to student, madam?
Student, that's what actually with the material it is very good. Through the materials if we work, it's good, and day by day they are increasing. Now level 1 from nursery, they start with the sensorial or something like that. Then level 2 they go with the same thing, little bit higher position to learn. For UKG level 3 it is vast than that. So all the 3 levels are going best, and our children, especially kindergarten children, they are doing the best. So I can prefer for other schools also, if they take Credo curriculum, it will be the best for the future.
I would like to give example to our viewers, madam.
Sorry, viewers who are watching this, I think if you are selecting nearby any area, this area, you can select SVN specially for the Credo curriculum, and you can give the best education for your children.